Hey everybody, welcome to Life at Sunny Lee. And it has been a week of moving and shaking. And I do mean moving and shaking. So much going on. Sunday, we were late getting to church, thanks to Dusty. She has gotten into a lot of trouble this week. And one of the things was Sunday morning before church. It was actually my mistake. I had left the kittens out before I took care of her. And well, I'll just let you watch what happened.
Get back! Get back! Get back! Johnny, get back!
Yep. She saw the cats. She lunged at them and pulled her crate completely away. And in the process, she broke a candle and a vase that were on the back of the crate. It could have been worse. She could have gotten the TV too, but she didn't. So then we went to town and got to church. Weren't too late. In fact, they were still singing the first couple songs. And then after church, I checked on her, and she had vomited up some of that glove that she had swallowed a week ago Thursday. So we, instead of going out to eat, we ran all the way home, took care of that, and recovered most of the glove. And then we went back town to eat. Okay? So then later on that day, I took her out, cleaned up her room, took her out, brought her back in, and she grabbed something as she was coming in the door. I reached in her mouth, tried to get it, couldn't get it. It was way back in the back of her throat. That was very, very hard. And I was wondering what the heck has she gotten into this time. I had no idea what it was. And like I said, she swallowed it the minute I stuck my fingers into her mouth. I just touched it and she swallowed it. And also on Sunday, I know that the Halloween parade that the Lions Club does is coming up on next Monday. And I was asked to take pictures. And I've been using my GoPro the last couple of years. But they had an upgrade, and all of a sudden my computer would not accept or upload the pictures from the SD card, and wanted me to pay money to get the software to do the GoPro. So I had to go backdoor to get that, and it seemed like every time I used the GoPro, it would run out of battery real quick. So I charged it up to see if I could still use it or not, and the thing would not power down. And that's the reason why I'm using up all the batteries. You can't turn it off. It's constantly running. So I started doing research to get a different camera, to try to find a camera that I could use for this next coming Monday for the parade. And I didn't want to spend a lot of money, but I didn't want a real cheap one either. So I was doing research Sunday on that. And I did find one that I liked. I ordered it. And it was supposed to come the next 2 days, on Tuesday, but we'll get to that. On Monday, I could not get to sleep for some reason. I ended up with getting my weighted blanket, and that helped. But I had an awful hard time getting to sleep, and just knew something was going on, didn't know what. Got up Monday morning, cleaned the house, and then we had an unexpected visitor come. And it turned out to be a good visit. And after he left, we went to town, got the groceries and stuff. So I was glad I had the house cleaned and everything. Also, remember I told you that Dusty had swallowed something on Sunday night? Well, it turned up in her poop, and it was one of those craft baubles, a little teeny round craft object that had gotten out by the back door, and she had gotten it. Luckily, it came out through her, and so it's taken care of. So I don't have to worry about that. And I told my husband I'm really going to have to quit worrying about her and what she eats, because we had puppies when I was a kid. They were all outdoor dogs, outdoor puppies. We didn't know what they were getting into, and we didn't worry about it. So I've got to quit worrying about what she's grabbing that she's not supposed to eat, because puppies will be puppies. And the only thing I can do is make sure that the big things like socks and shoes and slippers and things like that are out of the way. So I'm trying not to worry about her as much as I have been in the past. Tuesday I had to take Bill and Sean into town to the U-Haul place because they had rented a U-Haul truck to go to Ohio to pick up Doug and move him back home. So I took him there and came back home, had Dusty in the house the rest of the day. She did really, really well. The only problem is that she did find a grape on the kitchen floor, but I did manage to get that away from her before she swallowed it. Like I said, Dusty has been into all kinds of mischief this week. Lots and lots of mischief. I did put the cats in the catico every day except for Friday, I think it was, and Saturday. But every day they were in the catico. Wednesday I did laundry all day and went back town and picked up the guys. They had gotten Doug's stuff and got him moved over, and I had picked them up from the U-Haul place and bring them home. So now we have all the boys home for right now. Sean's here, Doug's here, and Chris is here. So we have a faux house again. And on Wednesday, my camera came, and didn't have a chance to even unpack it on Wednesday because we were so busy. Dusty got in trouble again. This time, she started messing with the grill, the gas grill. Now, she's messed with the gas grill before, and so I've always make sure I tighten all the knobs and make sure they're all tight before I go to bed, because last time she did get one of the knobs off. Luckily, the batteries, it was the ignition knob, and luckily the battery stayed in. So I always check those every night. But that night, she decided to start messing with the gas tank. And she pulled the tag off of it, and she would not keep her nose away from it. I was afraid she was going to either turn on the knob and blow us up or chew through the cord. So we end up moving the grill. So she has a lot more room in her room now to run around. Then on Thursday, did everything backwards because we just put the grill outside the night before. We did not move it anywhere. So first thing we did was move the grill to an enclosed area so it wouldn't get wet. And did all the animals backwards and what I normally did. And then I got to work with the camera. I tried it out, put a new battery in it, and just saw how it works. It works so much easier than the GoPro, and it does turn on and off. And the SD card downloads in my computer with no problem. I can also send the pictures to my phone without downloading it. It's not a real expensive camera, but it does do well, and it's doing what I need it to do. And I planted the indoor arrow garden, planted with seeds. I got 2 gardens, so I keep them rotating. And so I planted those with more lettuce. Friday, the boys went to town. And after they got back, Bill and I went to town and we bought the shower kit for the old bathroom that we're remodeling. So we're getting progress on that. It won't be here until next week. They had to order it because they didn't have it in stock. So that's one step closer to getting that bathroom done. Also this week on Wednesday, I weeded the bird garden. Did not quite get it all done. I have one small little patch yet to do, but it started raining the next couple days, so I am getting cooler weather, so I still have that little section to do, but it looks so much better. And it took me all day to do it, and the boys helped one day. Actually, it's taken 2 days. The boys helped one day, and I worked on it the other day by myself. So it's almost ready for winter. And Saturday, I just kind of took it. It rained, and I took Dusty out. We played with her for a little bit outside, but it was wet and cold. So I just came in and put a puzzle together. So that is what our week has been. And it's really been interesting. Hopefully Dusty will not tear up anything in the next coming weeks. Her training's coming really well. She's got like 25 things that she's learned. And we're working on scent training. We're starting that. And she's doing really well as far as her attention. She's not biting as much. She is nippy at first, but you have to calm her down, and she calms down fairly easily for me. So keep you up on that, on our training, and I'll let you know how the scent work's coming. So like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. It's Halloween. What can I say? Alright, God bless, and see you in the next video. And bye, everybody.